got to set all the settings yet for that. So let's just get to first things first. Let's press settings. This is going to be for the steering wheel, or for the this is going to be for the AC controls. So settings. Alright, there we go. Settings. Select system version. Which is going to be this little icon here, the little exclamation point. Press and hold the screen to access the keypad. And we're going to enter 7211. 7211. Okay. And being that we have, you need to know if it's manual climate or auto climate on the OEM. On the OEM, we had dual, so that's auto climate. So that's going to be an F250 high. So we got F250 high. You're going to turn the vehicle off. We're going to open and close this front door, driver's side, so we can get the BCM to shut off and make sure that it shuts off, so we know that the car, we can go ahead and turn it back on. Now let's restart the vehicle. And as soon as this powers up, we're going to go ahead and test the climate controls. So climate controls, let's go down. Fan. I have air. Let's go to AC max. Look at that. And the AC controls work. Or I mean, yeah, AC. Everything's working. Perfect. Great job. Next thing, we're going to go ahead and program the 360 camera retention. We're going to go to settings again. Go to advanced settings. Or let me see here. Let's go back. Settings. Alright. And then we're going to go to 9300. 9300. Okay. .360 camera on. We're going to scroll all the way to the bottom. F250 year. To 2019. And then we're going to turn the truck off again. And we're going to shut the, open and close the front door, driver's side again. Then we're going to wait for a second. About a good 10 seconds. And then we're going to test the camera. Woo! I definitely don't like that. Okay, now let's check the camera. And there it is. Front camera. 360 all the way around camera. That is going to be the two sides, front and the side cameras. And on the back for like into the bed camera. Then we can get back out, reverse, bam. And that's how you install one of these LinksWell Incorporated.com T-style radio replacements. This is the GEN2 2017 for Ford. Don't forget to check my Instagram at GotSound, Snapchat GotSound _ or excuse me, Snapchat is got_sound. And then my YouTube page at Dynamite Custom Sound Solutions. And my Facebook, Dynamite Custom Sound Solutions. Make sure you like us. Send questions. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like, share, all the good stuff. I appreciate everybody subscribing now and checking me out. Thank you. Till the next install, do you got sound?